Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica. Today I'm going to show you a look inspired by the Egyptian goddess Bast. She is known as the god of protection and is often depicted with the head of a cat. So if you'd like to see how to achieve this look, then please keep on watching. So to start, I'm going to be using a brown eyebrow pencil to start sketching out the necklaces I'm going to be having along my neck. Once I have those drawn down, I'm then taking a gold pigment and filling those three areas in completely. Next, I'm going to be taking some red and orange water activated face paints, and I'm going to start placing some simple vertical designs on the first and third necklace, alternating between the two colors for some variation. I'm then going through with a light blue and a light green water activated face paint and doing the exact same thing to the center necklace. Taking a dark brown eyeshadow, I'm placing this underneath that last third necklace on the bottom to create a shadow effect where it meets my skin. I'm placing the shadow down, blending it out, and then also going and adding a very slight amount of black right at that edge to give it a little bit more pop. I'm then using a black water activated face paint and filling in the remaining negative areas in between the necklaces, as well as just the rest of my neck up to my chin. Now before moving on to the rest of the face, I'm going to throw my hair up in a wig cap to get all this hair out of the way. Now since we're a black cat, we're going to go in and fill the rest of the face in with the black water activated face paint. Don't forget to paint your ears black too. I'm leaving the area around my nose and mouth open without any paint as to help the prosthetic we're going to be using adhere better. So it's going to look crazy for just a little bit. I'm then going in with some black eyeshadow and completely blacking out the eyes with this. Once I'm done with that, I'm then placing some of the black shadow along the rest of my face to kind of mattify it and get rid of some shine. Zooming on in here, I am then taking that same gold pigment from earlier on a liner brush and using this to create that kind of chunky, iconic Egyptian liner. So you're almost going to want to create a cat eye effect, except at the tip of that liner or that wing, you're going to kind of square it off instead. I'm also dragging this underneath the lower lash line and connecting it on that inner duct area, creating a little bit of a point. Once I'm happy with the liner, I'm then going back in with some black eyeshadow and just cleaning that all up so it looks nice and crisp. I'm then popping on some fake lashes and just coating those top lashes with some mascara. Now on to the most fun part of the look, the cat nose prosthetic. So I made this prosthetic myself using just latex paste, which is liquid latex mixed with flour, as well as a little bit of hot glue and some clear fishing line for the whiskers. I had created this on top of my face cast, but if you don't have a face cast on hand or pre-made, then you can certainly use a styrofoam head or something like that to give you a similar effect. I'm placing a layer of adhesive on the back of my prosthetic and then going ahead and plopping that right into the center of my face over my nose, making sure to smooth down those edges. I'm using the black face paint along the edges to fill in any gaps that might be there, and then going in with black eyeshadow and placing this all on top of the dark areas of the prosthetic to again just kind of get rid of a little bit of the excess shine. I then decided to go in and add a couple more details to the eye makeup. I decided to go in and just add a little bit of a point and a swirl effect coming out from that lower liner to give the whole eye look a little bit more interest. Going in with some white water activated face paint, I'm using this on just like a small detail brush to just further accent some of the areas on the prosthetic, such as the nose, the line of the mouth, and the bridge of the nose. And then as a last detail, I'm going in with that same gold pigment from earlier and using this right underneath where my natural brows sit on my brow bone, and just creating a line following that area just up to where my brow starts to arch naturally. And that is it, guys. You are now a feline Egyptian goddess. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, learned something fun or new. If you like, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, let me know what you think in the comments. And as always, I love you all, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah!